Greetings, everyone. Happy Thursday. So many things going in the news. I won't even go into that analysis because that sometimes makes my brain want to hurt. But as I'm driving my electric car, my EV, Chevy Bolt, I'm thinking about the planet and about Greta Thunberg and about so many others who are trying so hard to stop the avalanche of issues that this human population brings to the planet every single day. And as we sit here and we ponder why no one cares, and we call other people names, and we say that people must be stupid because they don't understand, or so many other things. But don't hate the player, hate the game, Tupac. And I agree with him, because what is the real issue? It's that, but that's the player. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Smelly trucks, smelly vehicles, system, that's it. The system is the problem. Now, how do we solve the problem if the system's a problem? Well, I feel a natural human shift is upon us right now, and we as humans have to make that decision how to save the planet. I have one idea, and I believe it's way better than the other ideas out there. And it's not just because it's my idea, but because I took it from other people's ideas and I blended it into a more presentable idea. Mine is the horizontal or synergy system. Now, there is an actual economic governance model that matches this perfectly. So using a governance model to solve climate change is the way we will do it. So this model is called the Elinor Ostrom Polycentric Governance Model. It talks about spreading out the responsibility and the problem-solving, decision-making apparatus from a vertical bureaucracy to a horizontal polycentric system, which allows for other people around the world and in a state, if you're speaking locally or if you're speaking internationally around the world, who can solve problems without having to go to the top to get permission. This is a way that you can spread the resources and solve the problem in a more efficient, more effective, and more cost-benefit way. So the CBA, or cost-benefit analysis, even gives you that this is a way more useful way of using our resources and solving the problem at the same time. So in order to solve climate change and to beat Cassandra's curse and to beat the tragedy of the commons and to beat so many other things that we're facing, where we're talking about losing 4 billion people in 25 years by 2050, that we have to rethink how we think and rethink how we act. So using all of that I said, I will summarize by saying if we want to save ourselves and our planet, we have to think of a different way of interacting, and instead of competing, we have to cooperate. Because like in the movies, when the alien comes and we're thinking, how do we beat the alien? The only way to beat the alien is to work as a world together to help each other, or there's some cataclysmic thing that's going to happen to the planet. We always work together. This is the essence of a polycentric model. I would like you guys to look into it, to educate yourself, and to write some comments and let me know if you think this is a useful way or if you have a better way, because I've heard so many people like Sam Harris and some other people who try to present ideas, but we're getting nowhere very fast. So reiterating again, only way to beat humans' curse is to go horizontal.